Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for a great investment property? Well, look no further. You can earn an income of approximately Jamaican 350,000 per month. This property has two houses. The main house has two levels, which includes a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and two other bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, six studios and two bedrooms, two bathrooms apartment. The second house has two levels with a master bedroom and two bathrooms. A studio is also attached to this house. Guys, it's time to see this investment house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million or US $519,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.